We want to look perfect, talk perfect, wish to have perfect life partner, perfect children, and perfect body, right? Actually, we want everything perfect. Hi everyone, this is Renu Sharma. Today I will discuss the idea of perfection is delusion. No one on this earth is perfect, as perfection is the enemy of good. Let me ask you a question. Are you aware that the idea of perfection is causing suffering in your life? Just think about it. You want to have perfect figure because you want to look like so and so, right? Have you noticed that this idea of perfectionism is an abductor of your joy? Sometimes the standards which we fix for ourselves are unattainable or take long time to achieve it. Then we feel upset and get angry with ourselves. We will compare ourselves to someone else has pretty nose that I want. Someone has successful career that I want. Their children are settled and I want my children get married soon. Oh my god, this dress is so cute. I can't wear it because I have put on weight or I'm so skinny. Then you start blaming your body. Not only the girls and women, but men and boys are also affected with the idea of perfection. So many guys are going to gym and even using steroids just to have six pack abs. What are we doing? We harbor this fantasy to the extent that we force our children or partner to achieve or behave in certain way. Don't steal happiness in your children's life. Rather, teach them to be happy in their own skin. Tell them whatever they deserve will only be given to them if they accept themselves as they are, and also motivate them to take small steps each day to improve their capabilities. Teach them to look at their life where they are doing good. We are not acknowledging what we already have, what we really are, and what we can do. But we have been enslaved by the toxic idea of perfection. Here, my suggestion is just focus who you are, celebrate your unique self, just be yourself, accept yourself, then self love will flourish within you. So, start your journey of self love. You are human on this planet called Earth. Each day you are learning new lesson. There is no shortcut or set formula of success. If you remember when you start riding bike, you constantly adjust your position. Sometimes you shift your weight to the right and then to the left. There is no step by step process to ride a bike. The only way is to actually ride, fall, ride again, and go on. Same goes with life. We should listen to our intuition and learn from our previous experience and improve constantly. Sometimes we don't try something because we are not expert on it. Don't let it to stop you for doing enormous amount of good things you are capable of doing. I want to challenge you to learn and practice how to look after yourself, make yourself happier, overcome your insecurities, recognize your capabilities, and utilize your full potential. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you will get the notifications of my new videos. See you in next video.